I was recently visiting a family member, and one day we heard a loud noise outside. We went out to look and noticed that one of the decorative bricks had fallen off. Luckily, where it fell, it didn't hit a window or the house, but instead fell in the bushes. So you too can be a good son-in-law. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's go. It looks like the rock fell about 15 feet. I don't know what caused it to fall, but luckily it was still in one piece. It was clean from any of the cement mortar that held it down, and there were no markings to show that it had been hit externally to cause it to fall. If anyone knows what would cause this to happen, comment below. So now let's take a look at the materials we'll use to fix it. First off, you're going to want to get this Loctite PL500 landscape construction adhesive. I found this to be the best brand because it's made explicitly for external brick or stone. You can find this at most hardware stores or Amazon for about $6. Now at this point, most people are going to want to use scissors to cut it open. Scissors can work great, especially if you need to apply it at a sharp angle, but I'm going to show you a trick you can do to impress your next date or your boss at the company picnic. Grab your caulk gun and squeeze the handle, and you'll notice that there's a blade inside the hole. Put the end of the glue inside and squeeze the handle to cut it open. Now you're going to be the most popular person at your kid's next birthday party. Now a quick note, if you squeeze and nothing comes out, it's because you need to use the metal rod on the end of the caulk gun to puncture the seal inside of the cap. I would recommend grabbing a ladder first before puncturing the seal, as the glue can quickly dry out at the end of the cap and seal it off. Next, clear any debris or dirt off the brick, then you're good to apply a heavy dose of the glue. Now it's difficult to see here, but the glue dried out very quickly. I applied a generous dose and left about a ½ inch around the edge so the glue doesn't ooze out when I press it against the wall. Again, make sure you have a ladder nearby before you apply the glue. Climb up the ladder and make sure you're stable, then clean off the area so it's clear of any debris or dirt. It's fine if the old mortar is there as long as it's firmly secured to the wall. The final step is to put the brick on and hold it down for several minutes until it's dry. If the walls of the house are too hot, it may take longer for the glue to settle. In my case, it was over 100 degrees outside, so I watched it for about 10 minutes to make sure the glue dried correctly. The next morning I went to check on it, and no brick had fallen down, and it was holding firmly against the wall. And now you know how to repair a cosmetic brick. For more home repair tips, check out my other videos, and have a great day.